So here's 3 things that you should have if you want to be a successful YouTuber. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I am on a journey just like you probably are on the journey of being a successful YouTuber. There are tons of videos out there about how to be successful on YouTube, how to get your subscribers up, how to get more views. We all done watch these videos, and we probably gonna keep watching those types of videos. But as somebody who's been on YouTube for a while and who is slowly but surely growing my channel, there's a few things that I learned and that I actually tell myself that I have to have if I want to be successful on YouTube. So these are the 3 things that I feel you must have if you're going to be successful on this platform. The first thing that you need to have is patience. Now, this is something that I struggle with all the damn time, all right? And I'm sure a lot of people who are just getting started with YouTube or have been doing YouTube for a while, they probably struggle with this too, because we all see people on YouTube who seemingly blow up overnight. You know what I'm saying? And you be watching it like, wait a minute, like this person just started like 6 months ago and they got 5,000 subscribers and all their videos are getting like 3,000 and 4,000 views, right? So you're sitting there scratching your head like, what the hell is going on, right? So it kind of freaks you out because the next time you go to do your video, you kind of just like, you know, you start wondering like, am I doing my intro right? You know what I mean? Or when you do your thumbnail, you like, damn, maybe I should switch it up because this other YouTuber, they're doing way better than me and they ain't even been on the platform. So like, you really just need to have patience with it. Maybe you need to keep doing what you're doing for a little longer, keep it going, but you gotta be patient. Maybe the video that you upload today, maybe it won't pop off till next year. Like I said, I've seen videos that I've done 8-9 years ago that's actually starting to get a little bit of traction on this channel. And I'm like, I don't know why, but it is. So I ain't complaining. So if you just getting started with YouTube or you've been doing it for a little bit, like you gotta have patience. I know the shit seems like it's never gonna happen and sometimes you feel like you're wasting your time, but as long as you keep going, you is always gonna be in a position to blow up and be successful. Now the second thing that I think you must have if you wanna be successful on this platform is consistency. Now, consistency could mean a lot of different things, but basically when I'm talking about being consistent, I mean just post like on a regular basis. Now, whether it be once a week, whether it be once a day, whether it be once a month, you know what I'm saying? Long as you consistent, but keeping it real, unless you phenomenal, posting once a month probably ain't gonna get you the results that you want, but it could, you know what I'm saying? Who knows? But be consistent. And I think a lot of people, especially new YouTubers, they get all hyped up, right? They get a channel, they got all these ideas, and then they might rattle off 3 videos a week for like a month, right? And then once they realize like, damn, I ain't getting no real results. You know what I mean? My subscriber count ain't going up. My video views ain't where I want them. Next thing you know, they like, shit, I'm just gonna do like 1 video a week, right? Then that shit still ain't popping off. Next thing you know, they doing a video every few weeks, once a month, once every few months. And then they're like, man, YouTube trash. You know what I'm saying? I tried to be a YouTuber, but the shit didn't work. Well, try being consistent. If you can only do 1 video a week, then do 1 video a week. Right? Because you never know which one of them videos is gonna pop off. Because think about it, 1 video a week is 4 videos a month. That's 4 opportunities that you're gonna have to grow your channel and be successful. And the third thing that you must have if you wanna be successful on YouTube, and that's tough skin. All right? Now, having tough skin to me is very, very important because somebody, you know, you might be on a roll, right? You might be posting videos, getting views, right? Getting your subscribers going up. And one day you might look at your comments and somebody gonna say something to you, right? It's bound to happen. I don't care who you is. Somebody gonna say something to you that you ain't gonna like. that it's gonna probably bother you in one way or another. You're gonna see a comment one day and they're gonna be like, man, this video was whack. Or man, you stupid. Man, you ugly. Man, you dumb. Man, that ain't make no sense. Man, I just wasted my time. But you have to understand, like, look, the fact that somebody took the time to click on comment, type something in, right? And then they actually are referring to something in your video that was like in the middle or at the end of your video. That should tell you that that person watched your video, right? They took the time to actually click on your video and listen to what you had to say. They took that time out. So if anything, I know it's hard, but you need to tell yourself, you don't got to thank them like publicly, but just tell yourself, thank you. You know what I'm saying? Say thank you to that person, because especially if your channel monetized, they just helped you make some money with their negative comment. And then worst case scenario, they're creating engagement on your video by them commenting. That's helping your video. That one little comment helps a little bit. So if you're the type of person that can't take some criticism, you know what I'm saying, some negativity, then you're not going to be successful. Because what's going to happen is if you get a comment, it's going to slow down your momentum, a negative comment. And if you get 2 or 3 negative comments in a period of time, you're going to start feeling discouraged about putting out content. And when you start getting discouraged, the next step is you're going to slow down production. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, it'll be a month, you ain't post no damn YouTube videos because somebody said something you don't like. I know it's tough, but you have to get tough skin. The bigger you get, it's almost a guarantee that somebody gonna talk some shit to you. It's almost guaranteed. All right. So long as you got tough skin and you're aware of this, you're gonna be fine. Here is a bonus thing that you must have if you want to be successful on YouTube, and that is the unwillingness to quit. All right, no matter what's going on, even if you kind of slip on your consistency, even if you feel a little sad about a negative comment, or even if you're getting very irritable, you're getting impatient because you're not seeing the results, no matter what, just keep going. Do not quit.